Sometimes when we are talking about or trying to solve frames and arrows problems, we are not always given the rule. In this case, we have a missing rule and some of the frames are partially filled in. So I need to do some thinking. I have to think to myself, what do you notice about how the numbers change? In this case, what I'm noticing is that there's two numbers back to back, so this will make it easy for me to figure out how to go from 20 to 30. I also noticed that the numbers increase or get bigger. So, if I think to myself, do the numbers get bigger? That means I am talking about addition or multiplication as part of the rule. If the numbers were getting smaller, that would mean I would have to think about subtraction or division as part of the rule. So, since I have the numbers 20 and it goes to 30 when the rule is applied, I have to think to myself, okay, if I multiply 20 times another number, do I get 30? No, that doesn't really make sense. But if I go from 20 and I add a number, can I get to 30? Yes. So if I add a number like 10 to 20, I get the number 30. So that tells me that my rule is add 10. I then have to check to make sure that my rule completes the rest of this particular frames and arrow problem. If I were to check it, I would be correct and say that my rule would in fact be add 10.